This is the worst lawnmower I have ever used. So this is the size of the lawn grass, and this is second cut. And this is the longest grass. Yeah. So this 20 feet by 50 feet area, I haven't done the whole patch yet, and it took me, the first one I did, only a full battery charge only last for 20 minutes, and this time again full battery, it took 40 minutes to charge the whole 2 batteries, and now it only run for 10 minutes and then it's not running anymore, and it's struggling really hard to cut long grasses like this. Unfortunately, I only get to use that lawnmower only once on not so tall grass, and it worked well, but it is really struggling, and the battery is discharging really quickly within 10 minutes after 40 minutes of charge. Worst lawnmower ever. Do not buy.
I've charged the battery, fully charged. As you can see, the lawn is not that thick. It keeps on stopping, as you can see. Hold on 1 second. I can't even start it like this. No. That's it, stopped. So this is what's happening to this motor. I don't understand why. Thank you.